There is one finger exercise that will get you faster fingers in 1 week that anyone can do, whether you're a beginner or a pro. But before we actually get into the exercise, you need to know the 2 reasons why you can't play fast. They are tension and a lack of muscle memory. So in this video, I'm gonna help you cross these 2 impediments and master those really fast passages before your next violin class. Imagine this. You're at Thanksgiving dinner with all your family, friends, relatives, and they tell you to play the violin. So you pick up your instrument, you put the bow on the string, and you're ready to play, but you notice something. Your heart is racing. Your palms are sweaty. You're nervous. But everyone's encouraging you to start playing, so you do, but the notes don't come out the way you wanted them to. Yet you keep going. When that fast portion comes, instead of your fingers speeding up, they slow down, like you're running on sand. You notice your family members slowly take out their phones and start scrolling. They're restless. And finally you finish the piece with a really sloppy ending. How do you feel? That's what tension does. It kills your sound. And there's only one solution to this, which has been taught generation after generation. And that is to breathe. Breathe with me right now. When you take a deep breath right before playing and breathe normally while playing, you dramatically reduce tension. Now let's go back to that Thanksgiving scenario. If you had just breathed, you would have reduced half your mistakes. I'm not even joking, it's so powerful. And I'm speaking from experience, and by going through countless auditions and failing each and every one of them, because I did not breathe. So please, just breathe. Now let's be honest, while breathing does help a lot, it's gonna be completely useless if you don't even practice. Practice builds muscle memory, so when you mess up, that's because you didn't practice enough. But to practice more doesn't mean you have to put in more hours. It just means that you have to practice productively and to use science. Don't use your phone during the practice session, and every 5 minutes, close your eyes and think of absolutely nothing for 10 seconds. This helps your brain build a connection with your fingers, which helps you learn the music way faster. Alright, now that we've gone through how to break the impediments that actually slow down your fingers, I'm gonna teach you the #1 exercise that helps your fingers move faster. This is the #1 exercise because it's been tested and utilized over countless years. It is to play your etudes. Now, I know this isn't the answer you were looking for, but this is the answer that you need. Etudes help you with skill development, and when you practice slow and slowly build up the tempo, your fingers do get faster. In my 7 years of playing the violin, I've noticed that every time there's a fast section in your solo, it's usually just a bunch of scales and arpeggios, but like really fast. Etudes often cover these scales, which makes your passages a lot easier. So I want you to find a fast etude and practice it. Every day, practice it for 10 minutes. Start at a tempo where you can play it completely accurate, and every day, increase the speed until you hit your goal tempo. And I guarantee you, that in 7 days, if you practice this fast etude and implement everything I told you to, you will get faster fingers. But let's be real, you don't just want fast fingers. You also want to be able to play beautiful vibrato. So click and watch this video here where I cover how to play beautiful vibrato that will stun everyone.